Aircraft pilots can conduct operations with AtlasPRO from a more secured environment, such as an armored tactical vehicle, a trench, or a dugout. To protect the pilot's location and stabilize the connections between Atlas Station and the drone, the pilot will need to use AtlasRELAY. To maximize protection from jamming, it is recommended to use AtlasRELAY with the Ethernet cable included with the system. Atlas Station, an Ethernet cable, and AtlasRELAY are needed to enable the bridge function. In Atlas Mesh Console, you need to establish a connection between Atlas Station and AtlasRELAY by clicking Add New Device and scanning the QR code of AtlasRELAY. After that, connect the Ethernet cable to AtlasRELAY and to Atlas Station. Place AtlasRELAY at a distance of up to 100 meters from your location. To turn on the bridge function, select the following options. Open Atlas Mesh Console. Click AtlasRELAY and connect it to Atlas Station. If this hasn't been done previously, press the Turn on Bridge button. A notification on the screen will inform the operator whether it's necessary to connect an Ethernet cable. Click the Continue button and wait up to 20 seconds until the connection is installed. Once the connection is installed, you can use AtlasRELAY connected to Atlas Station. When you turn on the bridge function, it is recommended that you lower the antennas. You are now safe. You can disable the bridge function in Atlas Mesh Console by pressing the button Turn Off Bridge. AtlasRELAY can be used without the Ethernet cable. In this case, you should raise the antennas on Atlas Station. Stay safe with AtlasRELAY.